What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name's Anthony, and today we've got another Chainlink update video for you. Last one we made was about 6 days ago. We're going to talk about everything that's been happening on the price charts this week, as give you a little bit of news regarding their latest partnership. But before we get into all that, I just want to talk about what this channel is, if it's your first time stopping by. So Crypto Ride is a YouTube channel that helps you navigate the unpredictable world of cryptocurrency through crypto news videos, technical analysis videos, and this one kind of incorporates both of that. And we also get into crypto project reviews. And truthfully, my personal goal is to become financially independent within the next 10 years. And part of my strategy to get there is incorporating cryptocurrency. So if you're passionate about incorporating cryptocurrency into your overall wealth building strategy also, make sure to subscribe to our channel. It should be down by my face somewhere in the bottom right portion of your screen. But let's take a look at the cryptocurrency markets right now. At the moment, we're sitting at 268 billion. Chainlink is trading at $3.98. We really want to see that get back above $4. And the other project that we will be talking about later in the video is the Kyber Network, so stick around for that. But that project, I want to just say this now, is up 58.2% this week, and a lot of that hype did come because they announced the partnership with Chainlink. So Chainlink has a little bit of a clout around it now, and what you're starting to see is these smaller projects, when they are smaller than Chainlink, is they pump because they're partnering with Chainlink. So that's pretty cool to see. Let's take a quick look at Bitcoin here, and I just want to look at this over the last 7 days and just look at the direction of this. This is the price action of Bitcoin itself, and then look at a whole bunch of the other coins. You can see they're really mirroring each other right now. And then if we look at Chainlink, you can see it is also doing the same thing. So little bit of a sell-off this week. Why was that? Well, there are, of course, whenever you ask that question, there's a whole bunch of different answers, but I do believe that cryptocurrencies are showing some of the fear that's also prevalent in the equities markets. You've seen the US stock market sell off now, and you're seeing some rising cases in states other than New York, where I am, but you're seeing other states in the US now have more cases of COVID-19. So people are getting a little spooked, and that's starting to show up on the chart. So let's take a look at what the Chainlink price has done since our last technical analysis video, which was made on June 8th, which is right where this green candle is. So you can see it fell down a lot. And if you're looking at this, it looks like we are still inside of this ascending parallel channel. But I do want to point out that I had to adjust these lines based on this fall. So this green line was sitting more up like this near the bottom, and the price dropped so low that I had to drop this down. I also dropped this entire parallel channel down along with it. So is that good news? Is it bad news? Well, it's not the worst news in the world. It's just a case where the market shifted and we have to adjust the charts. As you guys know, if you watch my videos regularly, I always try and preach this. Charting and technical analysis is a living, breathing, and ever-changing thing. So we always have to be open to new ideas. You can't cling on to old ones. You can't force something on the charts that's not there. But as you can see at the moment, the way I have these lines drawn now, we still do have our uptrend intact. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touches. We have a nice spike candle, kind of a hammer candle here, which is a reversal type candle. I really would like to see personally a close above $4. And the other thing I want to share with you is if I zoom in here, I want to just point out this purple line, which is your 50-day moving average. I want to see us close above this line. We're there right now. I want to see it continue and do that. You know, in general, am I bullish or bearish on Chainlink right now? Well, I will say this, the uptrend is still intact. So, you know, a lot of times if you don't do TA, or even if you do, but you're in a trade or you're holding a cryptocurrency, it can feel so horrible. Like this hurts emotionally, right? When you're watching this thing fall. But then sometimes when you come to the charts and you see what's really going on, you can realize that all of this can happen. And it's actually not the worst thing in the world at the moment. So I'm going to talk about with you next why this happened. So the chart pattern we're looking at here is a double top. This is a very short double top. You had one top here on June 2nd, and the next one here on June 9th. So this was not something that was prolonged over weeks or months. This was very quick, but you can see peak 1, peak 2, they are relatively close. This was at 460. This was at 450. So this is zoomed in a lot. That's why it looks like they're so far away. But these are really only 10 cents apart. And basically, I just want to show you why the move or the downward breakdown could be over. And I'm not going to say it is. I'm not making predictions, but I want to show you, based on the analysis, how this works. So when you're looking at a double top sell pattern or reversal pattern, right, what you're going to be looking for is the top of the pattern, which is this spike here, to the lowest point. And you're going to measure that area. Then you're going to pull that down for confirmation below the lowest point, which was this spike here. And this measured move downwards, a lot of people say it would be half of it, all right, which would put us right around here, right around $4, really, $3.98. That would be the measured move down. If it went, in a worst case scenario, it would be full. You can see we actually went beyond that, but we found a lot of support. So let me talk a little bit more about this green hammer candle and why it is bullish. So you can see during this 24-hour period that Chainlink fell as low as $3.65. But what happened was within the same day, it shot all the way back up and rose past where the day started, which is what we're doing right now. Okay, so we want to hope to see that this closes above the green line here and get back inside of our ascending channel. Last time I talked about swing trading this, we definitely had an opportunity to buy. It was a little scary, but if you did end up buying and you didn't get stopped out because some of the levels I talked about may have stopped you out, which again, getting stopped out of a trade is not the worst thing in the world because you don't lose all your money, right? But if you are in this right now, that's what you're looking for. And then you want to see us, of course, start to push back up within the next week or two towards the median and, of course, towards the top of this ascending parallel channel. Okay, but based on what we're looking at here, this downwards move could be over. Like we had the pattern, now we had the downward move, and now that that's out of our system, things could continue. Next, I want to talk to you about my updated price targets and basically just our support and our resistance levels, which I will be watching and you should be watching for this week. In a worst case scenario, if we dump down, I'm going to be looking at roughly $3.50, $3.47, and that would be kind of a low point of all of this consolidation which happened here. Or one of the reasons this bounced out of here so quickly was because we had all this buying and selling action right there. So there were a lot of people who just pushed the price up. So that's a serious level of support. So we want to see that continue to hold. And on the upside, the resistance we could see is right at the top of our double top, and that is $4.49, which if we rise will probably bring us somewhere around the median of this ascending parallel channel. And as promised, I want to bring you guys a little bit of news here. This one is from Cointelegraph. So you got the title saying, Chainlink price oracles dominate DeFi data feeds amid Kyber swap integration. Chainlink's price oracles are continuing to see widespread adoption among decentralized finance or DeFi protocols, with Kyber Network integrating price feeds on its Kyber swap token service on June 12th. So they already integrated it in their token swap service. So that would be having one digital asset and switching it out for another, that type of thing. If you use Atomic Wallet, we do that a lot on Atomic Wallet as well. Right, and the ticker for Kyber is, just for the record, is KNC. If you're interested in doing some research on that, that is not a project I hold. It's not a project I've heavily researched, so I'm not going to speak about something I don't know too well, but that is who they're working with. And like I showed you before, they are the number 40 project by crypto market cap. But listen to this. Kyber Swap's at least the third DeFi platform to integrate Chainlink's price data this month, signposting Chainlink's increasing dominance over the niche market. So Chainlink is a major player as far as price oracles or decentralized oracles go. They are the go-to oracle for the DeFi movement, which is based on Ethereum. So if you're invested in Chainlink, you're rooting for Ethereum, you're rooting for DeFi, because if that takes off, Chainlink's going to explode. But let me know in the comments section below, do you own any KNC? And if you do own the Kyber Network, please tell us and tell the community here, what do you like about it? I'm honestly asking because I don't know too much about that project. Also, do you think the bearish price movement is over? Do you think it's finished and that Chainlink is ready to start leveling out, consolidating, or potentially moving higher again? What do you think will happen over the course of the next 7 days between now and the time we record our next video? Like the video, subscribe to the channel, never invest more than you can afford to lose in speculative investments like cryptocurrency, and enjoy the ride. Thanks, guys.